Hey guys, it's me, Ricardo Mackey, and I'm back with a new character. Comics. Comics here, and his name is Jumper Jack. Jumper Jack. Jack Jumpers are ants. They are one of the most vicious ants world, I think. He's from Australia. So I got inspired to do a character because I don't see Marvel or DC have this character, so I adopted this character for comics. And what he does is he has this sword that stings and paralyzes any villain. And he also has like a shield, like a spiritual shield to block anything trying to hurt him. So that's what he does, and he fights crime. And he's a good villain. He's a good guy, but can be a villain. So let's see right here. He has a poison in the sword, so every time he holsters his sword, the poison it rejuvenates poison, venom from ants, and this little box right there, that's filled with the Jumper Jack ants, and this is Fahbooom-comics. Y'all take it easy.